Hi, this is Luke A. with the PCT North America team, and in this video I will show you how to use the Formula RX tool. Begin by selecting the fields that you would like to work with in View, and then navigating to the Formula RX tool. Beginning with the settings, the resample cell size lines allow you to change the pixel size used to create the RX. The default of 20 is best used with grid samples. If you are using zone samples, you may want to set the resolution to 2 meters, as this is the resolution that the layers are stored within PCT. You can also set the cell size to match the width of the application equipment that you will use. Set the activity date, and choose the formula group. These groups are set up in Add Edit Formulas. Click the Edit Formulas button to be taken to the Add Edit Formulas tool. Then you will choose the desired formula. The season drop-downs allow you to select a soil sample season. If multiple seasons are selected, then a weighted average will be used. You also have the option to select depths. You can set min and maxes. You can enter an amount of available product, where the total amount of product called for in the prescription will equal the amount entered. Similarly, you can set an average rate, where the average rate in the prescription will equal the entered amount. Make sure that all of the amounts entered in the Formula RX tool match the units used within the formula. You can enter a product cost. You can also enter a flat credit amount, or select a layer to be credited. User variables will be displayed if they appear within the formula. User variables are typically used for product conversions or crop removal values. You can also choose formulas that do not have products attributed to them. This will be explained further later. Within Formula RX, you also have the option to enter switch rates. This is done by including a comma in between the two values in the min column. You can also enter split rates, where the calculated result will be split into multiple applications based on the percent separated by commas. This is entered in the max column. To run a formula, select it, and select the fields that you would like to run the formula for. Within fields, you can select a crop and a yield goal. The yield goal can either be flat, entered in the gray column, as well as mean or grid. These are entered by selecting seasons of yield data. If multiple seasons are selected, an average will be calculated. You can also select yield average maps or yield potential maps within this dropdown. A second crop can be entered as well. Then click Create RX. The prescriptions will be generated, and you will be able to see a quick breakdown of the prescription and the layers used to create it. You can then choose to download the shapefiles or report, or send the shapefiles directly to myjohndeere. You can also combine all the fields or products into one shapefile. When finished, click Create. When choosing a formula without a product, after clicking the Create RX button, you will then click the Select Layers and Switch to Product button. At the top of the page, products will then be displayed. This performs the same function as turning on the Products slider. Then select a product that has been created previously, and select the soil sample season, depth, and a credit layer if desired. Then click Create RX.